Okay, welcome back. This is my next video of Orange Pi review. Today I'm reviewing Orange Pi 5 with 16 gigabytes of RAM with Orange Pi Linux distribution based on Debian. So here I see it a comment to show the overall OS experience. Okay, I will show a little, but I just want to mention that I'm not super familiar with Linux, and actually I don't know what exactly to show. So at how it behaves as Windows, so you can create some things here. You can open terminal. Opening of the terminal for Linux is really important. Here it's Open Terminator, which can split the terminal windows to many terminals. I know this because I have some experience with Kali Linux and it's pretty nice, this program. Here you can have few windows, so if you open here the browser and here you have some, for example, documents. Here I have some, let me show you. Okay, some documents. I have a video where I installed. So here you have two desktops. This is something really nice, by the way. I really like it. Windows have to think about this. So here we have the date. It automatically takes the date, but not the time zone. Maybe I have to... Okay, I have to adjust it. Display appearance. What's that? Okay. So let me show you closer. Properties. Okay, so time zone. So how to choose the fucking time zone? Do I have to write something? Okay, I am on +02. No. Okay, why no? Analog, LCD, FreeDie. Yes, this is the format. Yeah, I like this format. Display seconds, LCD. Oh, you can see it's changed. Digital, LCD, oh. Analog. Yeah, you can have analog. But I want to fix this time zone. Okay. Actually, I fixed it because my time is 6:30. Okay. So it's not so hard. So when you can move. Where I can move it? Oh, you can put it here. You can move it. I see. So you can make some changes. Okay. Add new line items. So I can add something more here if I want. Okay. Here is about the connection. I want to warn you guys, Orange Pi 5 doesn't come with Wi-Fi module, so you have to wire the board with wire to connect the board with wire. Here is something which I don't know what is. Maybe this is something related to the system. Okay, so here is suspend, shutdown, restart. Here is the audio volume control. You have built-in microphone. Here you have some options. Okay, so let's go here in applications. In application, here you have some application finder. For example, I want LibreOffice. Okay, really nice with some commands. Calc, okay. Launch. So it's launching the Excel Slack. So you can see here we have a bug. Okay, not the best one for LibreOffice Calc. Terminal, file manager. I'm sure that this is not so different than any other operation system. Okay. Web browser, some settings, a lot of settings. Maybe I have to make separate video. Balena is here. I don't know what others do. Developer Genie for Python. I'm Python developer, so usually I don't like this Genie. I will install Visual Studio Code in one of my next videos, so I will test few things. Okay, graphics. Here we have some maybe this is for pictures, something like this. Okay, we can draw here something. We can draw. But what exactly, I don't know. Multimedia, here I installed Kazam and Simple Screen Recorder, so they are not from the built-in. So you can see Office, I installed LibreOffice, document viewer was default from the system, and some system book rename. Task manager, okay, so here we have some kind of task manager on Linux. Okay. Some more advanced. Oh no, it's the same. Print settings, okay, maybe one of my videos I will try to connect Orange Pi with my printer and to print something. Okay, so this is the overall operation system experience. Maybe when I get more familiar with it, I will make another video. Thank you guys for the attention.